What are you doing? Say hi. What are you doing? Say, I don't know. I hear my mama's voice. Say hi. Say mama. No mama. No mama. Say dada. Say dada. Say dada. No dada. Okay, well we'll try again later. But you're adorable. You're cute. You're so cute. I love you. Zachary. Zachary. Tell your daddy, say, I love you, daddy. Tell him. Say, I love you. Okay. Well, bye-bye.